So guys, another mistake beginners do in forex trading is that they always want to pick up a trade whenever they open their chart markets. They always want to pick up a trade. Once they look at the chart, they don't see market that they are not even sure of. They just want to trade. Now when they open gold against USD and they don't see what to trade, you see them moving to another pair that they are not even conversant with. They just want to pick up a trade and they trade, and then at the end of the day they run into loss rather than running into profit. So when you open a chart or a market, you must not trade. If the trade have not reached your entry or confirmation zone, please log out. It's as simple as that. You only earn profit or make money on forex trading when you are making profit. You get paid when you make profit. You don't get paid when you are losing market. So get that into your mind, okay?